today?
Cookie.
Cookie. Chocolate chip cookies.
Cookie.
Yay! What's your name?
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm eating.
How old are you?
2.
2?
Appa.
Oh. They're so cute. Oppa, go over to them. Oppa.
Appa.
Okay.
Appa.
Oppa. Okay, so first we're gonna hold on to our whisker. Okay? We need sugar.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to pour this over? And then next is our brown sugar.
Wow.
And then we have salt.
Shop.
Okay, can you mix it all together?
Sure.
Sure, thank you, Leyla. And then next is our butter. Whoa, that's a lot of butter. Okay, mix it all together faster. We need to dissolve all the ingredients. Whoa.
Cookie.
Okay. Okay, next we need to add our egg. Okay, mommy will crack the egg. Wow. Okay, you gotta mix it all together, okay? Careful. Oh no! Too much. Vanilla extract.
Wow.
Oh no, mommy made a mess.
Miss.
Can you hold on to this?
Yeah.
Make sure you hold on to it really good, okay?
Sure, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will let you do it. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. Okay, here's your baking soda. Wow. And then we have our flour. Can you do it?
Sure.
Wow. And then we sip. You tap it like this. Not too not too hard.
Uh-oh.
It's okay, we'll clean up later. Okay, now we use this spatula. And then you mix it. You want to tell the camera something? What do you want to tell them?
The
You tell them stay safe,
Okay.
stay home,
Come home.
bake cookies.
Touchy.
Mwah.
Ma. Bye. Do you want chocolate, Leyla? Yeah. What's your brother's name? Do you want to pour over the chocolate?
Chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Wow.
Okay, we do it little by little. Hold on. Mommy will mix it over. Okay, now we have to put this in the fridge and let it sit for 30 minutes.
Mommy.
30
Shoulder.
minutes.
Mimi.
And then we'll be back later.
Bye.
Bye. Now we have our cookie dough and we're gonna set our oven at 350 degrees. We're gonna get our ice cream scoop. Yeah. No, don't touch it, don't touch it. Okay. You go scoop like this. One scoop. And then I'll show you. Hold it like this. And then you drop it. Go. Oh, is it Aling? Whoa, good job. Okay, now I fix it. No, I got it. Oh, no, don't touch it. Last one. Okay, now we put this in here.
Cheese.
Good job. Camera.
Cheese.
Now our cookies are ready. So we have to bake them for 12 minutes in the oven. Yeah, mommy will have to put it in the oven. Okay, because it's very hot. Yeah, we have to wait for the oven to be heated They're almost ready. When we hear the beep, then it's time to put it in the oven. Yeah. Do you want to sing your song?
Yeah.
Go. Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake. Okay. There's a beeping. It's ready. Okay. Mommy will put this here. Stay there, okay? It's very hot. Now we're gonna set the timer to 12 minutes. Just 12 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna show them how we sing our patty cake song. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna wait. We'll mark it with a B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Yay! We're done with our cookies. Here's Layla's chocolate chip cookies. Wow. Do you smell? Okay, you want to smell it? Does it smell good? Okay. Can Layla get one? Give one to Nathan. How does it taste? How is it, Nathan? Good? Okay. Is it yummy? Here, you eat this one, you eat this one. Okay, is it hot? Yummy. I blow it. There we go. Blow it. Yeah, blow it. Auntie will eat one. Okay, okay. Here, I put it here. It's hot.
Don't eat one. I'm Auntie.
Mmm.
I'm Mommy.
So yummy. Look at that.
I'm not hot. Is it here? Good.
Good.
Okay. Got you.
Say thank you, Leyla.
Here. What's it? That one. That one.
Say thank you, Leyla.
What cooked that?
Leyla made it.
Auntie.
Leyla and Auntie made it.
Yeah, in this one.
Mm-hmm. Is it yummy? It's very yummy, huh? Okay, say bye, guys.
Bye. Bye.
Very yummy. How is it, Nathan? It's good? Let me see your face. Wow! Okay, Leyla, do you want to give one to Daddy?
Thank you. Yummy.
How is it?
Good.
Leyla made that.
Thank you, Leyla.
Leyla, Daddy said thank you.
Mm-hmm.
How is it?
Yummy.
Yummy? Can you show us the cookie? Show the camera the cookie.
Bye.
Leyla! Say bye, guys.
Bye, Dad.
Look in the camera right here. Say bye, guys.
Mama.
Bye-bye.
Mama.
Say bye-bye.
Mama.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.